and a spreader. So we have several different designs to go through. First of all, let's start over here real quick.
Perfect.
Yeah.
You want me to just I'll run through let's start with the romance. You want me to just run you through the patterns first,
yes,
and then we can
please.
kind of talk. Okay, so this is going to be romance. You're going to have the heart board, the heart cup. I love the little ramekin, and the spreader. Next door to that is going to be your egg hunt. That's going to be an egg-shaped board that you see here with, of course, your egg-shaped cup and your adorable stacked egg spreader.
And we're just showing you what that egg hunt looks like in the dinnerware that's coming up.
As cute as that. Here's your shamrock. So that's going to be, of course, your Figural shamrock set. Can we talk about how stinking cute this stainless steel spreader is?
It is. It's so nice. That's all ceramic.
Yes. And then, of course, we have your firework fetti. That's going to be your star with, of course, that beautiful hand painting. And then you have your star spreader. Love that. Down in front, we have the fireworks. So same details. You're just going to have that firework cup that goes with it. Spreader is the same. And then look what we did. How fun for our summer. We did a Figural shell for your summer in floral lace. And we did a Figural shell for your ocean fetti in your old world with, of course, the matching spreaders that are so cute.
Brand new. You're seeing it for the first time. Our only order of the season. 5 easy monthly payments of $5.20 to get this home, and everything's on 5 easy payments today or more. And so just keep in mind that this is a great opportunity. Let's go back to this. Tell me a little bit about the cutting board.
So this is bamboo. So we love that. It's one of the hardest woods. So I love how durable it is. There you can see is your cutout for where you're going to nest that adorable little server inside there, your little cup. This is, of course, going to be 8 ounces in capacity. So the perfect little ramekin. And then, of course, there's your spreader. I always say if you're going to go ahead and cut on it, cut on the side that doesn't have the heart, because then that can get all marred and scratched up and no worries. And then this, of course, will be your serving side.
I love that idea.
Isn't that
Cutting
sweet?
Side, serving side.
Yes.
Don't forget to tell your hubby. Okay.
True.
But the other thing, too, is that this one you just hand wash the cutting board. But the other pieces you could put in the dishwasher.
Go right in the dishwasher. Absolutely.
So
and I love that we had so much fun with the Figural pieces. I want these boards to be left out so that you're using them. So look how cute we did here. I'm going to grab a spinach artichoke dip.
Oh, are you kidding me? Oh, that's like one of my favorite things.
Even though it's morning, who doesn't love a spinach artichoke dip?
Look at the shamrock. Now, I'll be honest with you. I cannot guarantee you will get this by Sunday, but when you place your order, you can always talk to one of our representatives, and sometimes they can speed up the shipping if you really have to have it by Sunday. But check on that, because like I said, I can't guarantee that. But here's the shamrock right there. Here's the egg, and obviously the eggs you're going to be able to use for Easter, because that's not for another month.
We actually did a beautiful egg salad. So remember that our stoneware is going to keep hot things hot as well as cold things cold.
Right.
So here you see we did a little spinach artichoke dip. How perfect is this for a little appetizer? We married it, of course, with the today's special value. So we have some extra dips and things. But look how cute this is. It's nice and coordinated. Charcuterie, chip and dip, things you're going to want to do. That now you have something Figural, something fun, and something, honestly, you could leave out and display.
That's right.
Because it's so adorable.
Absolutely. I mean, when you're not using the cutting board, leave this out with some candies in it.
Oh, sure.
Things
Great
like
idea.
that, you know. Here, I want to go back to what they can choose from, because the choices are so adorable. And remember, this is something that maybe you'll use just for the season, but I think a lot of, for me anyway, I would use it really year round.
And I think when you're thinking about the fact that these are Figural cutting boards, it's much easier just to make a round or to make a rectangle or oval. But this, I love that you have that detail there. The cutout for your Rammy there, and these spreaders are so cute. I would pay this just for the Rammy and this adorable stainless steel spreader. The fact that you're getting that gorgeous wood cutting board along with it, adorable.
Great.
So
and like we said, on the side that the bowl fits into, don't cut on that side. Leave that for serving so it stays nice and pristine. Turn it over and cut on the back side if you want to cut on it.
Because what are we used to using? This is how we'd recreate it, right? We'd use something plastic and we'd have some type of ramekin, and this is what we would do. Now you have a polished presentation and everything coordinates.
That looks like it would cost you $1.50. And this looks like it costs you $50, but it's $26 for all of it.
And how cute is that?
That is adorable.
Look at that. Your shamrock there. And then, of course, we have in your firework or in your firework fetti, you have that gorgeous Americana kind of star detail. Down in front, you have the same one in firework. And then so fun, we've just started to debut kind of our shell collection. because you've been asking for that coastal kind of look, we have our summer, or we have our ocean Fetty.
Ocean Fetty has the green and the blue.
Yes.
And the summer has just pretty much the turquoise blue.
Which is so
that's
pretty.
kind of the difference. And I also wanted to show you the difference between Firework and Firework Fetty. I'm going to reach down and get this.
I love that you did that. Thank you.
I have short arms.
I'll grab the other two.
Would you, let me just say one of them, now I'm not even sure which one is which.
Okay, so this is Firework that has the engraved detail on the outside.
And that
so that's
has
floral
the
lace.
fireworks.
And then your Firework Fetty is just like our confetti or spring Fetty. It just incorporates the red, white, and blue.
Okay, so this is Firework Fetty. This is just fireworks. And that's, I'm so glad you set that, straight for me.
Yeah, no worries.
I didn't know for sure.
And then we have the shell detail. This is going to be, and it'll match back to the today's special value. This is going to be your summer, and this is going to be your ocean Fetty. I love it. In the shell.
Ooh, I love it.
So
it's
cute.
so great. Oh, I'm telling you, this is adorable. It's brand new, and you're getting the cutting board and serving board. You're getting the ceramic bowl, and you're getting the ceramic spreader with stainless steel, by the way. It's our only order of the season, and it's brand new today. 5 payments of $5.20. And by the way, when we have our today's special value coming up next, I have a special surprise. Just when you think your